diamond in the back, sun rooftop, digging the scene with a gangster lean, gangster white. With the diamond in the back, made up roots with a pimped out Gucci suit.
How y'all doing? It's your girl Diamond in the back, and I have with me the lovely Judah Priest.
Peace, peace, peace.
Okay, peace, peace, peace. So if y'all don't know, this is a Wu-Tang affiliated. Judah Priest is definitely in the house. We are in Richmond, Virginia at Comcast. So Judah Priest, I want you to tell the people about Judah Priest. Who is Judah Priest?
I'm an ordinary dude doing extraordinary things, you know what I mean? With this hip-hop game, you know what I mean? So that's really just all. I just want to be an inspiration to the people, a voice.
Right. I totally understand. It's all about inspiration out here. We have to keep inspiring our people. It's all about us growing as people. So that's what's up. That's dope. I like that. So Judah Priest, I would like to know, what age were you when you started?
I mean, I really started learning like the age 7.
7?
You know, yeah. You know, just really trying to learn the format and everything. This really, hip-hop wasn't even my main concentration. I actually started out playing basketball.
Oh, really?
And everything. And I was able to start doing it more and more in between basketball and regular life. And then, I mean, once I got out of college and playing ball and some pro ball for a little bit, I had to make a choice of what I was going to do. You know what I mean? Going further, because I kept getting injured with basketball.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
No, it's all good. I think I made the right choice.
Yeah. Hey, look, everything happens in your life for a reason. So, hey, that's what's up. And now look at you. You Judah Priest.
Hey, you know.
You know, that's dope. So basically, you were inspired originally from basketball, is what you're saying?
I mean, I was just inspired from life. Like I said, like this was what inspired me as far as the hip hop game, was able to take words and formulate it in rhythm and everything, you know, and actually make it make sense.
Right,
you know
right.
I mean? Especially in ways that everybody can learn to love it. That was the inspiring part.
Okay, right. And I feel you on that one, because the thing that keeps me going each and every day is the people, the fact that people love what I do, just how I love what I do, you know?
Indeed.
You know, so I know it's whenever your fans give you that, oh, Judah Priest, you know, they're like, you know, we need you out here. It's a reminder that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing.
I mean, what it is for me, it's not like, you know, a thing of acceptance, but it's more or less people actually liking what I'm saying, which means that they actually receiving the message that I'm giving. Right.
Okay.
So I think that's the most important part for me, is that they able to receive the message and really understand it, you know, and give me back the inspiration of liking it and making me go harder and stronger.
Right. Okay. That's what's up. Okay, well, you make sure you keep doing what you're doing. First things first.
I mean, always. That's not going to change.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Pay attention. Take notes. All right, so look, I would like to know, how did you become affiliated with Wu-Tang?
Well, my older brother is actually Buddha Monk from Brooklyn Zoo.
Okay.
So I actually grew up around it.
Okay.
And everything. You know, I guess that's just plain and simple. And from that union with my brother, you know, I had other members, Killer Bees.
Okay.
I met Killer Priest at a young age. I had Hellraiser in the back. I had Menace. I had Dungeon. I had Cap.
You had the squad.
Yeah, I had the team. You know what I mean? So that was just really like, you know, the whole fam and everybody just paved the way for me.
Right.
You know what I mean?
It's a blessing. It's definitely a blessing. That's what's up. So I really would like to know, because I want to know a lot more about you, but within this question, if there was anything that you can change in the world, and it can be outside of entertainment, what would it be?
I mean, I've been saying this all weekend. Education.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Unity.
Yeah.
I mean, just amongst the collective and everything, we have to go back to educating the youth, so, you know what I mean, they can do better.
Right.
Instead of just continue to teach them negativity, teach them positivity.
Right.
You know? And that way as we go farther and everything, they be able to teach their youth what we giving them now. So if you give them negativity, they're going to teach their youth negativity. But if we give them positivity, you know what I mean, they're going to give that youth positivity, and then we're making a global change.
Okay. I feel you, because, I mean, we need more education out here, first off, like you said. And we need the right education. We need the true education. There's a lot of things that's hidden from our people. We need the education. We deserve it, you know?
Word.
So, I feel you.
We need family unity.
Yeah.
Also, you know. I'm saying? And we also need unity amongst the collective. You know what I mean? So those are everything that I'm inspiring to give to everybody else. You know, I want to create a positive element, not only for my children, but their children.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
That's dope though. As long as you want it, it's yours. It will happen. You will change in your own way on this earth and improve the education. Word. And you're doing it in your music. Hey. You want the people to listen, so that's what's up.
Thank you.
Okay, so y'all know a little bit about Judah Priest.
Yeah.
How can they follow Judah Priest?
Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at I am Judah Priest.
Okay.
My website is thejudahpriest.com. Facebook official Judah Priest. I moderate my own stuff, so y'all talk to me. I mean, when y'all send messages and replies and stuff, that's me. All
right, so y'all heard it live. And if y'all don't know, I go by the name of Diamond in the Bag, Judah Priest. I appreciate you. You keep doing what you're doing. And Richmond, stand up. We out here.
Shit, you already know.
I'm a king that roll with cherubims, a prophet of the street, black hoodies and Timbs. I'm on my Trayvon, Mike Brown, Eric Garner, Akon. We can't breathe, hit police with the A-bomb. Ayatollah, saving my brother like Noah. Speak the universal language, the soul controller. My words, exotic gems. I bear the cross, portrayed the motion films. A passion of life, a rise in a new heights. The blind leads the blind, then we giving them side ride. Never fear the mark of the beast. No justice, no peace. The streets never fear police. We in too deep, brick mansions, survival with the fittest.